Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve igfxext.exe module high memory or CPU usage in Windows computer. So igfxext.exe is a legitimate Intel graphics related component, not malware. It stands for Intel Graphics External Display Helper Module and is part of the Intel Graphics driver package pre-installed on many Windows devices. When igfxext.exe begins consuming too much memory CPU, it may signal an underlying problem with the graphics driver or a conflict with another applications. And the common issues usually appear when a Windows update, outdated graphics drivers, or corrupted system files. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to update your Intel graphics drivers. So all you have to do is to click on search menu, and then we need to type here device manager, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up this device manager, and then next step, and then you need to find and locate this display adapters and click this arrow to expand. And then you need to update this Intel graphics on how to update. So all you have to do is to select and then right click. And then you need to select this update a driver. And then in updating this driver, so we have two options like search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. And then you need to select and tap this search automatically. And the best drivers for your device are already installed. Alright, so once you're done here at device manager, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to disable enter related startup tasks. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus Control plus Shift plus Escape to open a task manager, or you can do right click on a taskbar. So on a taskbar, then you need to right click, and then you need to select this task manager. And then once you open up this task manager, and then next step, and then you need to select this startup tabs. Okay, so you need to select. And then once you open up, and then you need to find and locate this Intel Graphics Command Center or Intel Driver and Support Assistant. So all you have to do is to select this Intel Graphics Command Center. And the next step, then you need to right click and select this disabled. Alright, so once you're done here, to disable this Intel Graphics Command Centers at Task Manager, and then we need to close. And then here at start menu, and then we need to restart this PC to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows Update error on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.